Hi, welcome to this video on how to resize an image in Canva. First, head over to canva.com. Keep in mind, you'll need a Canva Pro plan to resize images. I'll start by selecting an image from the photo section. Once I've chosen the image, I'll set it as the background to match the page size. Next, I'll click on the top left-hand side where it says Resize Image. A window will pop up, allowing you to choose from a list of preset sizes or enter your custom dimensions. For this tutorial, first I'll demonstrate how to use a custom size. I'll resize it from 1850 to 950 pixels. Once you're satisfied with the size, click Continue, and Canva will automatically resize your image to the specified dimensions. The image will then adjust to the new size, as you can see on the screen. Canva offers a wide selection of pre-made image sizes that you can use. For instance, you can resize your image to fit any popular social media post. To illustrate, go to Resize Image on the top left-hand side. As you can see from the list, there are options for social media, print products, presentations, videos, whiteboards, and more. I'll click on Social Media, and from the drop-down menu, you'll see various social media post sizes. For this tutorial, I'll select YouTube Banner and click Continue. A window will pop up confirming the size. Click Resize to this design, and the image will resize to the YouTube banner dimensions, as shown on the screen. Let's try a different image size. This time, I'll choose Whiteboard, click Continue, and again, a window will pop up asking for confirmation. By selecting Resize to this design, the image will resize to the whiteboard dimensions, as displayed on the screen. That's how you resize an image in Canva. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.